Here's my lab 3. So I was first asked, here you can see that I have like the same variable that we use for any other programs. And as my integer I have my rosters, and roster size is 5, and as my player rating I have roster size here still inside enter roster size. And I have a scan. I have a scan screen which helped me to input the value to the keyboard, and which is, thanks to that, is able to run. And my main string, my main static void is a string. So on the first part, I was up to prompt the users for everyone. So I decided I used a loop. I could have put like int over here and declare it, but I did both at the same time, still works. And so the roster is gonna go from 5, so 0, 1, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And as for here, as we go, we are asked the user for this player's jersey number and save it in the array, which is right here. So technically, I decided to print this. So I put I plus 1 for the reason that we go from player 1. So if we don't put the 1, it's going to be I goes from 0 to 4. So it's going to start at 0 instead of 1. And I needed to print the jerseys number 2. And here, as you can see, I ask thanks to the keyboard to print this number. And I'll do the same thing for the player's rating. And at some point, because I ask for this player's rate, I'm asking the user for this player rating. And at this point, the user has entered all 5 players' jersey, numbers, and rating. Now we can display the team roster. How do we display the team roster? The same way. We iterate here. We're gonna go from 0 to 4, 5 numbers, and we print out the player. And here which player is player 1. As we said before, goes from 0 to 4. So it's going to be 5 digits, so it's 0 plus 1, 1. And the jersey number here, which is including the user num. So, and for here, for this, now we need to use and enter the player's information and display the team roster, and we display in a menu to get the user's desired option. So at some point over here, those, I just took them from the problem. If they're true, this is what happened. Those should all be printed. So let's say if answer, which is any one of those string, is equal, let's say, to you over here, we have to print out we have to print out enter's jersey player, the jersey's number. But now we use a new jersey into jersey, which is a new jersey. It has nothing to do with the jersey num, because we're dealing with a different situation. And we do the same thing for the rating, iterate. And at some point of here, we go to all the player and see which one has a jersey. So we have to see which one has a jersey. We have to iterate first to see all the player. So the one who has a jersey is the one which into jersey, the new jersey, is equals to the jersey number. And player rating equal to rating. So we have to go to all the player. Does this player's jersey match their rating? So that's how we do all that. And or else we can prompt the user, it could be equal to A, and we prompt the user with some player rating values, and we enter the rating, enter rating, and so on forth. Then we go to all the players and print jerseys numbers and players rating of every player whose rating is above the value specified right here. So I won't detail all that. It's pretty much the same process that I copy and paste to do all the thing. And here, and so if it's equal to R and so on forth, it's just the same process, it's just the same reasoning. The only difference is later here, because my jersey here, if it's equal to jersey num, I have to print out this new jersey, because that's a new number, and new jersey equal the I equals to this, because I'm updating the number. That's why there's those two I's equals to New Jersey. And from there, I have like, if enter is O, according to what the program asked me, I get to get the roster side. We still use the roster size equation and the jersey number, and the user has to select quit. We put return, otherwise the program scheme is still gonna is still gonna keep on running. So whenever we put return is to stop the program. And let's see if the program works. So we're gonna go pretty fast. We have 84, we have 7, we have 23, we have 4, we have 4, we have 5, we have 30, we have 2, we have, is it 68 I believe, and we have 9, enter, and if we put Q right here, it should quit, which means it should stop. Ta-da, it's stopping, it's working. I can try it again for different digits. Let's do it again for 84, enter, 7, 23, 4, 4, 5, 30, 2, 66, like it says, 9. Oh, I went a little overboard, my bad. I didn't pay attention. So 84, 7, return, 23, return, 4, return, 4, return, 5, return, 30, return, 2, return, and we're gonna do finally 66, return, 9, return. And if I put R right here, you'll see that it will keep on going. It's gonna keep on going. I can put more digit or whatever, it's gonna keep on doing. And if I put right here, if I put Q, where's my Q? It stops. So it means that the program actually worked. And this was my presentation. Thank you.